Everyone. Today we are going to see how you can use PersHR for marking your daily attendance, for applying the leave, and checking your leave balance and checking your schedules. So here we are having a dashboard. Once you log into the portal, you are having this dashboard. Here we are having the check-in button. We can use this check-in button for marking the attendance. You can click on the check-in. I have already allowed the location. That's why it is not asking for me the location allowed. Here you can see your check-in is done. And for the checkout, you can again click on this to check out the session. Hopefully this is clear to you. Let's move to the other features. In the dashboard, you are having the apply leave button. You can use this apply leave and select the leave policies that are applicable to you. I'm selecting the sick leave. You can add the from date and to date for which you want to apply for the leave. Just suppose I'm selecting the 14th January. You can select the duration for which you want to apply for the leave and you can add the reason. Just suppose I'm adding it as not applicable. Clicking on the submit application and my leave has been applied. I can also check the leave request in the leave tracker. You can go to the leave tracker. Here you are having the leave policies and the balance you can see that in the leave policies. And here you are having the request that you have applied till now. You can see for the 14th January, I have applied this and you can see here the status is pending. Once the status is changed by the reporting manager or once the request has been approved by the reporting manager, this status will change to approved. Here you are also having the option for view the request. Here you can see the request that you have raised and here you can see the approval like your reporting manager to whom this leave has been pending. Once he will approve, it will be changed to approved. You can also edit the request by clicking on the edit button and you can change the dates for which you wanted to apply before approving the request. Once the request has been approved, it cannot be changed. Okay, so hopefully this is clear. You can also cancel the request by using this option. Just click on that and enter the reason for the cancellation. Just suppose I'm entering apply by mistake. And confirming it. My request has been cancelled. Once I will refresh the page, I'll get the cancelled. I can also use the filters for checking the cancel request. You can see this is the cancel request. And I can view the details here. You can see I have cancelled this request. And this request has been removed from the approver side. Okay, so this is all about the leaves. Here you are also having the upcoming events for the leaves that you have, like the approved leaves that you have, you can check here. And this is the holidays, like the holidays that you are having, a public holiday or the local holiday, you can check here. The upcoming events will be visible on this page. You can also having the option for the leave grant. You can click on the leave grant. This option is for the leaves that you wanted to take from the for the paternity or the maternity leave. You can apply this by here. You can select the maternity or paternity leave. Here you can add the status, like the dates for which you wanted to apply. You can add the end date and the number of days will be calculated. You can add the reason. Once you will apply this maternity or paternity leave, this request will be sent to your reporting manager. And when they are approving the request, you will get the balance for the maternity or paternity leave for the number of days for which you have applied. Then you can use that particular balance for applying the leave. So what is the flow? Firstly, you have to take the grant for the leave. Then you can apply that leave or you can use that balance for the different days to take the leave. So once your leave has been approved, you can go back and then like once your grant is approved, you can go back and you can apply for the maternity or paternity leave. Here you can search for the paternity leave. Here you will get the paternity leave once it is approved by the reporting manager. Then you can select it and follow the flow for applying the leave that we have already discussed. Okay, so this is all about applying the leave or taking the grant. Let's move to the dashboard page again. Here you are having the option for the regularization request. You can directly raise the regularization request. You have to select the date here, and like the date for which you missed the punch, or you are having the absent status, or you wanted to correct the session. You can select the date, and you can apply like you can add the session time, like the check-in time and the checkout time, and you can add the reason for the regularization and click submit, and this request will be raised to your reporting manager. Once they will approve the request, you will get the status updated in the attendance tracker. In the attendance tracker, you are having the statuses for the different days. Here you can check your date-wise attendance status, and you can regularize your attendance if you find something is not correct in that. Just suppose for the 29th December, I'm having the absent status. I can apply for the regularization request to make this present. I have to add the regularization request details. By this option, you can also raise it. Or in the dashboard, you're having the same option. You can also raise it on that day. Also, you are having here the filters. You can apply the filter for the dates for which you wanted to check the attendance details. You are also having the regularization details here. You can see here, if I'm applying for the regularization, I can see the request here and the status for the request. I can also check the status approved request from this. Like I can also check the request of the status of the request, and I can ask the reporting manager if they are not approving my leave. I can ask them to approve it, or if they are not approving your regularization request, you can ask them to approve it. Let's move to the shift tracker. In the shift tracker, you are having the schedule time. You can check here the time in and time out in this particular table. In the calendar, you are having the option for checking your absent, present details, leave details, and also the weekly holidays for the holidays. If you are having some dates that are holidays are configured, you can also check these in the calendar. Let's move to the dashboard again. You are also having option here for downloading the payslip. You can download this payslip by entering the month for which you wanted to download the payslip. You can raise a complaint if you're getting some issues or you are finding some issues that need to be resolved by us or your reporting manager. You can raise the complaint by this method. When I'm clicking on this, I'll go to help desk, and here I can raise the request or the ticket for which I need a help. There are different categories. You can select the categories here and you can raise the request. In the policies tab, you are having different type of policies here. You can download the documents and you can read the policies that are applicable in your organization. In the documents tab, you are having your documents and the documents that the organization has shared with you. You can get the documents on this shared by me method button, or you can get the documents by my documents. You can also upload the document if you want to upload. You can also upload the document by this method, like add the title of the document, description, and the file. Once you upload it, that document will be visible to your organization admin and they can check that document. So for the document sharing, you can use this portal for the help. So this is all about the self space or a space that you are, or the features that you are having in the employee panel. Here is the icon for checking the notifications and the details. You can go to the notifications and get all the details here. Okay, so hopefully this is clear to you. If you're finding some issues, feel free to ask us.